Everyone. Now we are going to start our seventh chapter, sets, relations and functions. Okay. So in this video, we are going to learn only meaning of sets. First of all, what is set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects or well-defined elements. Listen carefully. Set is collection of well-defined objects. Okay. And well-defined and distinct objects. For example, we can write here set is well-defined and distinct. Distinct objects or elements. Objects or element. Okay. First of all, what is meaning of well-defined? Okay. Let us take for some example. Set of prime numbers. Set of prime numbers. Prime numbers means what? The numbers which is divisible by itself only, and a number having only two factors. For example, we can write prime numbers equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Okay, it is well defined. તમે કોઈ પણ ને ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછો prime number તો કે 2, 3, 4, 7. We are taking one more example. Name of days. It is also well defined: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. It is well defined. બરાબર છે. ઇન્ડિયામાં પૂછો કે અમેરિકામાં નેમ ઓફ ડેઝ તો બધા સરખા જ આવે. ઓકે, આવા તો ઘણા બધા આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈ શકીએ કે ભાઈ નેમ ઓફ ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ્સ ઇન ગુજરાત સ્ટેટ, નેમ ઓફ સ્ટેટ્સ ઇન ઇન્ડિયા, નેમ ઓફ કન્ટ્રી ઇન એશિયા. ઓકે, બટ આઈ એમ રાઇટિંગ બેસ્ટ batsman of Indian cricket team. See, this is not well defined objects. ઘણા એમ કહેશે ભાઈ Virat Kohli is best, someone says Sachin is best, someone says Rahul Dravid is best, someone says Mahendra Singh Dhoni is best. But it is not well defined objects, so it is not a set. Not a set. Okay, so I hope કે તમને એનો મીનિંગ ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે. બરાબર છે. ચાલો હવે આપણે એને લઈએ કે ભાઈ methods of representing set. Okay, see, there are actually methods of representing set. There are two methods of representing set. Number one is roster form. First method is called roster form, or it is also known as tabular method. Roster form. Okay. For example, there are 1, 2, 3, A, B are some elements. We have to write these elements in set. We can write 1, 2, 3, A, B. This is called a roster form. Okay. આમ પણ લખી શકાય A equal to 2, 1, A, 3, B. Order is not important in set. તમે ગમે તે રીતે લખી શકો. Okay. Second method of representing set is set builder form, or property method भी આને બોલી શકાય set builder form. Okay, what is set builder form? For example, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, તો આપણે આને A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 લખીએ તો it is called a roster form. But if we are writing A equals to X, પછી એક કોલન લગાવી દેવાનો, સ્લેશ પણ કરી શકાય. X belongs to N. X belongs to N means what? Natural number, and X is less than equal to 5. Okay, this is called set builder form. See, we are taking one more example. For example, name of name of days નથી લખવું આપણે. Prime number less than 10. Okay, so here by roster form a is equals to what? A is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, but by property method we can write a is equals to x is such that x equal to prime numbers and x is less than equal to 10. Okay, this is called set builder form. See, generally sets are represented by capital letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. And the elements of set can be represented by small letters A, B, C, etc. Okay. Next topic is cardinal number. Cardinal number. Okay. For example, A is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A and B. Then how many elements lies in set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 elements in set A. It is called cardinal number. Cardinal number of set A is equal to 6. It is represented by n of A. Number of element in set A is equals to 6. It is called cardinal number. For example, B is given by Ram, Sham. How many cardinal numbers in set B? So we can write n of B is equals to 2. Okay, તો આના ઘણા બધા questions આવશે cardinal number ના. Now our next topic is types of set. Okay, our first type is null set. Null set. It can also be written as empty set, or someone say it is also known as void set. Void set. Okay, null set means if in a set there is no element, or number of elements in set A is equals to 0, or there is no element in set A is called null set. Okay, means number of element in set A equals to 0. There is no element in set A. It is represented by 2 empty curly brackets, or also it is represented by 5. It is called 5. Okay, null set means what? There is no element in a set. Okay, now next type is singleton set. So નામ પરથી તમને આમ તો ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે what is singleton set. Second type is singleton set. Singleton set means what? If there is only one element in set A, then it is called singleton set. For example, number of elements in set A equal to 1. It is called singleton set. For example, A is equals to 5. Okay, only one element, so it is called singleton set. Next number is finite set. Finite set means if there is number of elements in set A is finite, then it is called finite set. For example, A is equals to odd numbers less than 10. Okay, so A is equals to what? Odd numbers less than 10 means 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, it is called finite set because we can calculate the number of elements in this set. If A is given by આપણે B લખીએ એટલે ખ્યાલ આવે. If B is equals to only odd numbers, okay, so it is called infinite set because અહીંયા આપણને કોઈ લિમિટ નથી આપી. 1 3 5 7 9 11 till infinite, so it is known as infinite set. Okay, so I hope you understand what is finite set and what is infinite sets. In finite set the number of elements are limited, and infinite set there is no limit of number of elements. Next type is equivalent set. Equivalent set. Okay. If equivalent set means if a number of elements of set A and number of elements in set B are equal, then it is called equivalent set. તો બંનેમાં એલિમેન્ટની સંખ્યા સરખી હોવી જોઈએ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and B equals to A B C D E. Okay, see, number of elements in both the sets are equal. There are 5 elements, so it is called equivalent set. Okay, next one is equal set. Equal sets. Okay, if the corresponding elements of both the sets are equal, then it is called equal sets. For example, A is equals to 1 2 3 and B is equals to 1 2 3. It is called equal set. See, what is the difference between equal set and equivalent set? In equivalent set, it is not necessary that the number of elements, corresponding elements are equal, but in equal set, we can write A equal to B. In short, in all respects, A and B are equal. Means corresponding elements in A and B always equal. So we can also write that the equal set equal sets are also an equivalent set. Equivalent sets. Okay, because number of elements in both the sets are equal in equal sets. Okay, now next one is most important one, subset. આના ઉપરથી ઘણા બધા ક્વેશ્ચન આવી શકે એવો પોઈન્ટ છે, એટલે આ ખાસ સમજજો. If all elements of set A lies in set B, then A is called subset of B. Okay, element of set A lies in set B, then A is called subset of B. For example, A is equals to 1 2, B is equals to 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so can I write A subset B? Yes, because elements of A lies in set B, so A is called subset of B. Okay, one more example we are taking. If C is equals to 3 4, so can I write C is subset of B? Yes, because elements of C is lies in set B. Okay, now I am writing D equal to 2. Okay, so 2 is lies in A and B both, so we can write D is subset of A and also D is subset of B. Okay, now write down some notes for subset. It is very important. आज important છે, આ તો ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે તમને. Number one, a set is always subset of itself. Okay. Number two, empty set is empty set is subset of each and every sets. And number three is see, આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈને નંબર 3 સમજીએ કે ભાઈ પહેલા આપણે લખી નાખીએ નંબર ઓફ સબસેટ્સ of set A is equals to 2 raised to n. Okay, so how to calculate number of subsets? Listen. For example, if A equal to 2 and 3, if question is asking that write all subset of set A, okay, so we can write S1 is equals to what? A set is subset of itself. એટલે આ તો પહેલા 1 2 તો આવી જ જાય. S1 means subset 1. Subset 2, can I write 2? અહીં અમારે 1 થઈ ગયું છે, actually 2 and 3 છે, આપણે 2 and 3. Okay, S3 means 3. Okay, and empty set is subset of each and every set. દરેક સેટ નો સબસેટ empty set તો હશે. તો નંબર ઓફ સબસેટ્સ કેટલા થયા? તો કે 1 2 3 4. ઓકે, ચાલો તો આપણે હવે આપણી ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરીએ. 2 raised to n equals to what? 2 raised to number of elements 2 raised to 2 is equals to 4. તો આન્સર આવી જાવ 1 2 3 4. ઓકે, હજી એક એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ કે if A equal to ABC, write all possible subsets of set A. Okay, so subsets of set A, આપણે આ રીતે સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ફર્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ A, then by B, then by C. Okay, now taking double elements AB, BC and AC. ચાલો હવે કંઈ થાય તો કે yes, a set is subset of itself, means ABC is subset and empty set is subset of each and every set. Okay, now calculate number of elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and empty set 8. There are total 8 elements, and what is our formula? 2 raised to n. So number of subsets is equals to 2 raised to n, and n is given by 3. 2 raised to 3, 2 cube is equals to 8. So exam માં તમને આવો ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછે કે ભાઈ a set contains 4 elements, how many subsets of set A? So 2 raised to 4, it is equals to 16. તો આ ખાસ આ સૌથી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે, આ વસ્તુ એક આપણે યાદ રાખવાની. બરાબર, સબસેટ લખવાના કોઈ દિવસ તમને નહીં પૂછે, નંબર ઓફ સબસેટ્સ લગભગ પૂછે છે. Okay, our next definition is power set. Power set is set of all subsets of set A. Okay, power set is set of all subsets of set A. Okay, for example, if A is equals to 1 comma 2 is given, so what is how many subsets of set A? First we can write 1, then by 2, then by itself 1 2 and empty set. Okay, null set. and if we enclose these elements by curly bracket, then it is called power set. It is denoted by P of A. Okay, so power set is nothing but set of all subsets. And chalo હવે next one is universal set. Universal set okay ચાલો તો universal set equal to what આપણે example થી સમજીએ. U equal to first A equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 2 3 4, and C equal to 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then universal set contains all elements of set A, B and C and more. Like I'm writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 till 10. Okay, so universal set contain all elements of all three set. જેટલા સેટ આપ્યા હોય એ બધા સેટ તમારે universal set માં આવી જવા જોઈએ. It is called universal set. It is denoted by U. Sometimes it is denoted by S also. Okay, now our next topic is Venn diagram. અને હું ડિટેલમાં નહીં લઈ જાઉં, બરાબર છે, કારણ કે આપણે જ્યારે સેટ ઓપરેશન શીખશું ત્યારે તમને સમજાવીશ. વેન ડાયાગ્રામ Venn diagram. Okay, generally Venn diagram is drawn in a rectangle box. It denotes universal set, and circle is denoted by sets is denoted by circle. Like this is set A, this is set B, and this is set C. Okay, and element of say set A, B or C is denoted by a dot. So it is called Venn diagram. Okay, now we are taking some algebraic operations of set. Algebra of sets. Okay, now algebra of sets. In algebra of sets, we are taking first operation. It is called union of sets. Union of sets. It is denoted by U. એટલે પેલા universal set નો U નહીં. For example, A is equals to 1 2 3 4. And B is equals to 3 4 5 6. Then A union B equals to what? A union B is equals to elements of set A and elements of set B, or elements of set A or set B. Means see, elements of set A or set B. એટલે કે એલિમેન્ટ્સ જે A માં આવતા હોય અથવા B માં આવતા હોય બધા એલિમેન્ટ આવી જાય એની અંદર. લાઈક 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It is called union of A. See, હું શું કહું છું, elements of set A or set B. This can be represented by Venn diagram. See, this is set A. This is set A, and this is set B. This is set B. Okay. All elements of set A and B, or A or B, not and. મારે and વારંવાર બોલાઈ જશે. All elements of set A or set B is called A union B. It is denoted by A union B. એટલે A માં પણ હોય અને B માં પણ અથવા B માં પણ હોવા જોઈએ. It is called universal set. This is set A and this is set B. Okay. Our next operation is intersection of events, or sets. Number 2, wait, yes. Number 2 is intersection of sets. Okay, what is called intersection of sets? If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equals to 3, 4, 5 and 6, then A intersection B can be represented by A intersection. This sign represent intersection. Union no undu karna pan. See, what is A intersection B? All the elements, all common elements between A and B. ચાલો તો ઇન્ટરસેક્શનમાં શું આવે? એન્ડ આવે. અને યુનિયનમાં શું આવતું હતું? ઓર આવતું હતું. બરાબર? All common elements between A and B. How many elements are common in A and B? 3 and 4. So A intersection B is equals to 3, 4. Okay. If we are draw a Venn diagram for A and B, see, this is set A. This is set A. Circle ની જગ્યાએ થોડુંક સ્ક્વેર જેવું થઈ જાય છે, પણ સમજી લેવાનું આ સર્કલ છે. This is set B. Okay. This area is represented by A intersection B. Means common element between A and B both is called A intersection B. Okay. Next one, number 3 is, ચાલો એક ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ રાખી લો 3 નંબર પહેલા આપણે, અને 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં પણ તમે ભણેલા છો એ ફોર્મ્યુલા કે નંબર ઓફ એલિમેન્ટ્સ of A union B is equals to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B. આવું તમે કંઈક એડિશન રૂલમાં ભણ્યા હતા, પ્રોબેબિલિટીનો એડિશન રૂલ ઓફ પ્રોબેબિલિટી આપણે સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સમાં પણ તમે ભણ્યા હશો, સીએમાં પણ. ઓકે, નાઉ we have to remember some important points like A union A is equals to always A. Okay. For example, I am writing U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set A represent only two elements 1, 2. So A union A equal to શું થાય? તો કે A union A equal to A itself, કારણ કે 1, 2 union 1, 2 equal to 1, 2. And then A intersection A equal to what? A intersection A equal to itself A. બરાબર? બંનેમાં કોમન શું છે? તો કે A union U. ચાલો આ બંનેમાં પ્રોબ્લેમ ન થાય, ધ્યાન રાખજો. A union A equal to શું થાય? તો કે U. Okay. A intersection U equal to what? A intersection U equal to, it is equals to A. Okay. A intersection empty set is equals to what? It is empty set. For example, empty set means there is no element. A intersection empty set કરીએ તો બંનેમાં common શું આવે? Nothing is common, so it is empty set. What is U intersection empty set? Again it is null set. બરાબર? તો આ પણ બધું MCQ માં ખાસ તમારે આવશે. તમે જ્યારે મોડ્યુલના સમ સોલ્વ કરશો ત્યારે સોલ્વ કરો ત્યારે તમને આ ઘણું હેલ્પફુલ થશે. તો ઓપરેશન્સ બધા યાદ રાખવાના આપણે. ચાલો હવે આપણે આગળનો ટોપિક લઈએ, ડિફરન્સ ઓફ સેટ્સ. બરાબર? આ બધું 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં પ્રોબેબિલિટીમાં તમે ભણી જ ગયા છો. difference of sets Okay. See, difference of sets represented by A minus B or B minus A. ચાલો આ પણ આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈને સમજીએ કે ભાઈ if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then what is A minus B? A minus B difference set of A. That means only element of set A, not element of set B. A minus B what? Only elements of A અને આમાં sorry A, this is A minus B, this is A minus B. So A minus B only elements of set A, not of set B. ચલો B ના એલિમેન્ટ નો આવવા જોઈએ, તો 1 B માં આવે છે નહીં, we can write 1. ચલો 2 B માં આવે છે તો કે નહીં, તો 2 પણ લખી શકીએ. તો A minus B equal to 1 2 3 4, we cannot write 3 4 because 3 4 are elements of set B, and B minus A equal to what? Only elements of set B, not of set A. ખાલી B ના જ એલિમેન્ટ આવવા જોઈએ, એના એલિમેન્ટ નથી લેવાના. તો 3, તો કે yes, it is present in set A. 4 is also present in set A. 5 6 not present in A. So B minus A is equals to 5 comma 6. Okay, by drawing Venn diagram, we can draw our Venn diagram in the form, see, this area is known as A minus B. A minus B. ચલો કઈ રીતે થાય આપણે અલગ એક બીજી ડાયાગ્રામ બનાવીને જોઈએ. એમાં હું એલિમેન્ટ્સ લખું છું કે ભાઈ સેટ A, સેટ B, 1 2 3 4, પછી શું આવે 3 4, સોરી 3 4 તો આગળ આવી ગયું, 5 6, 5 5 6. Okay, see, what is our definition? Only elements of set A, not of set B. ચલો તો set A માં જ હોવા જોઈએ, એવા ક્યાં છે 1 and 2. ચલો આપણો આન્સર શું આવ્યો? તો 1 and 2. Okay, similarly B minus A can be represented by Venn diagram as this is A, this is B. Only elements of set B, not of set A. ચલો તો આના ઉપરથી મારે ફોર્મ્યુલા બનાવી છે, તો ફોર્મ્યુલા હું શું બનાવું કે ભાઈ can I write A minus B is equals to elements of A minus elements of B? It is our definition, but I can also write A minus A intersection B. બરાબર, see, it is A. A માંથી A intersection B minus કરો તો પણ આપણને મળે. અને similarly B minus A equal to what? B minus A intersection B. બરાબર છે. આ હોલ ઇવેન્ટ છે આપણી, સોરી મારે ઇવેન્ટ બોલાઈ જાય છે વારંવાર, હોલ સેટ છે B, એમાંથી આ ઇન્ટરસેક્શન માઇનસ કરી દઈએ તો શું વધે? તો કે B minus A. It is called difference of sets. Okay, now next one is symmetric difference of sets. Symmetric difference of sets. It is denoted by A delta B. A delta B. Symmetric difference can be represented by Venn diagram as this is set A and this is set B. A and B. Try to understand. પહેલા આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈ લઈએ કે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ A equal to આપણે આગળનું જ એક્ઝામ્પલ કેરી ઓન કરીએ 1 2 3 4 and B equal to 3 4 5 6. Okay, then A delta B is equals to element of set A and set B, not common element between A and B. બંનેમાં common આવતા હોય એવા element લેવાના નથી. Like this represent only elements of set A and only elements of set B. બંનેમાં common હોય એવા લેવાના નથી. બરાબર છે. બંનેમાં common શું છે? 3 4, તો 3 4 ને આપણે લેવાના નથી. તો A delta B ની ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે બનાવી હોય તો શું બને? તો કે A delta B is equals to A union B minus A intersection B. બરાબર, ઇન્ટરસેક્શન રિમૂવ કરવાનું છે ને આપણે. અને બીજી પણ આપણે ફોર્મ્યુલા બનાવી શકીએ કે a માઇનસ બી યુનિયન બી માઇનસ એ, બરાબર છે. બંને ફોર્મ્યુલા એપ્લાય કરીએ. ચાલો એક આપણે ફર્સ્ટ એપ્લાય કરી દઈએ કે ભાઈ a union b equal to what? A union b is equals to elements of a or b 1 2 3 4 5 6. A intersection b equal to what? A intersection b means common elements between a and b 3 and 4. Now a delta b, symmetric difference between set a and set b, is it is equals to a union b minus a intersection b. Okay, chalo, so union mathi intersection minus karo. This is our union set and this is intersection. Subtract 3 and 4. 3 4 કાઢી નાખો તો શું વધ્યું? It is 1 2 5 and 6. Okay, now our last topic, last point, not topic, last point is complement of set A. Complement of a set. Okay, complementary event તમે 12th માં ભણ્યા હતા ને, complementary event જેને તમે પૂરક ઘટના ગુજરાતીમાં કહેતા. It is denoted by a prime or a raised to c or a bar. Okay, for example, u equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. If a equal to 1 3 4, then what is a prime? A prime means u minus a, or not element of a. Not element of a, એના એલિમેન્ટ હોવા જોઈએ નહીં. ચલો તો u minus a કરો તો એના એલિમેન્ટ કોણ છે? 1 3 4. 1 3 4 રિમૂવ કરજો તો શું વધે? 2 5 and 6. Okay, if we draw a Venn diagram, this is universal set, this is set A, this is set A. Then remaining part of universal set, this part, it is called A prime. Okay, complementary set of A. So complement ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો. U minus A equal to complement set of A. ચાલો તો આઈ હોપ કે તમને થિયરી થોડી ઘણી ખ્યાલ આવી ગઈ હશે. હવે નેક્સ્ટ સેશનમાં આપણે સમ્સ આના કરશું.